So guys, today is the day we are going to use the MLV-1 rocket. Finally, it's the day I was waiting for when I will be using my MLV rocket. So this is will be the first launch, the first official launch of the MLV rocket. So guys, are you ready? Let's play my world. Build rocket. It's gonna be so interesting and fun. Now we'll build a new rocket. Load and MLV-1. And guys, this is my first video using the 1.5 version. So today we are launching a satellite, not a lander. So let me remove all these useless parts for today's mission. These are not useless parts. Actually, that was a simple lander, so there's nothing main in it. But let me create the satellite. We go to others. Attach this right here. This is the interesting thing about 1.5 version. You can add as many things you want. Now it's time to launch. We'll be launching 2 satellites. Oh sorry, I did a mistake. I forgot to add the final booster, the final solid rocket booster. I just forgot to add the booster. That was the main problem. So I'll just add 2 ion engines and I'll just have to move this thing a bit above. Creating videos using this thing is like very awesome. Like 1.5 version enables you to move parts together, and they have actually removed the ion engine. So in the 1.4 version, we all know that there was an engine named ion. It was very powerful, this, that, and here now we have to forget that ion engine. Now let's launch this. And the specialty about the MLV rocket is that it is very powerful. It can be lifted off very easily just by its boosters. We don't even require the third engine. But I would like to wind up today's video very soon, so I will be sitting on this engine. It's going to be amazing. We have reached 2000 and now we turn it. Entering the orbit fast is one of the main keys to just create an orbit very quickly. And we will definitely create an orbit, guys. We are not going to create a socket, we'll be creating an orbit. Guys, I would like to say that I am also creating an application. So guys, I am already creating one website for my YouTube channel. In that website, you can see that all my rockets which are created by me. And one more thing, we have another website with my friend in which we explain and teach about planets. Like, many people don't know about better solid rocket boosters and all. In that channel, we will just tell you guys how to different types of rockets. Suppose many people know there's a rocket named as Falcon Heavy. What is the specialty of Falcon Heavy? No one knows. Yeah. We'll be doing that very soon. We have already created that website. We just need to modify that website and then it's time to separate the first stage. Yeah. This is okay. And now separation of substances. Now we clear these things. Oh, sorry, what did I do? I'm extremely sorry for that. And now we get into high Earth orbit. We have already entered high Earth orbit. So, how do you feel when a rocket is launched on its first launch, and that launch is takes that rocket all over to moon? How does it feel? How does it sound, first of all? No, I don't want that. I want to cancel. Yep. And now we separate these substances. And now we expose the satellite. No, yeah, the engines are on. We are actually putting this satellite into moon orbit. We are not landing them. Oh, shitty, what did I do? So now we just navigate this thing. I mean, we just time warp. So it is actually going to take a lot of time for us to get in moon orbit. But no problem, guys. It's going to take a lot of time. If we use this same method, it is at least going to take us 3 to 4 days. Or even more than that. Let's time warp. Time warping. Guys, I think from next I will do many videos from the KSP, from using KSP. Yeah, I will be using KSP, I think so, because I'm gonna have a new KSP. I'm just gonna buy that thing, and we all know that the features of KSP are awesome. KSP is an awesome game. Oh, sorry for that. I forgot that we are creating an orbit. Yeah, the orbit will be formed soon. Captured into high moon orbit. Yep. So finally we are going to do this thing. How does it feel, guys? Please write it in the comments. How does it feel? And now we escape. Actually, we don't escape. We actually get it into lower moon orbit. I know that I'll be silent, guys. Please don't mind if I be silent in between. Captured into high moon orbit. This toggle button is actually the key. You can use this toggle button whenever you want. Yeah, done. And now we separate the substances. Let us move this thing very fast. switch to, and now I'll end mission. So this is actually amazing. Now I cancel end mission for this thing. Now I switch to this. The velocity is very less indeed. So this thing will keep having a booster. I forgot to separate it, but no problem. We still have 2 satellites in moon orbit. That also in one launch. 2 satellites in orbit only with 1 launch. How does it feel, guys? Please write it in the comments. Sorry guys, I just like singing. And now we save, create quick save. Don't worry about the spelling, guys. I have very bad vocabulary, so you will see many spelling mistakes. Now this is tease, my friends. And we end mission. End mission. Hey, you anti-mission. I don't know what happens. Anyway, guys, I don't know what happened right now. Yeah, and the mission ended. Exit to main menu. Thank you, guys, to be with me, and see ya.